Are you looking for details about the fuse box diagram and locations in the 2024 Audi Q5? Would you like to know where to find the various fuse boxes throughout the vehicle, including the driver's side cockpit, passenger footwell, and luggage compartment? Driver's side footwell. The driver's side footwell fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q5 contains fuses that protect electrical systems related to the driver's side, including dashboard lighting and control features. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the proper functioning of components like the power window switches and safety systems. Front passenger's side. The front passenger's side footwell. The front passenger's side footwell fuse box in right-hand drive vehicles of the 2024 Audi Q5 manages fuses for electrical components related to the passenger side, such as interior lighting and power outlets. It helps protect essential systems that enhance passenger comfort and convenience. Its convenient location allows for easy access and maintenance when fuse replacement is necessary. Driver's side cockpit. Left and right-hand drive vehicles. The driver's side cockpit fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q5 protects electrical systems related to the dashboard and driver controls, including lighting and infotainment features. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q5 manages fuses for rear electrical systems, including trunk lighting and the rear wiper. It protects circuits related to cargo area features and ensures their proper operation. Its accessible design allows for easy maintenance and quick fuse replacements when necessary.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.